Now we'll go to our next section, that is we'll be adding the post to our page. So now we'll go to add new. Now here you have to provide the title of your blog. For me it's demo, so I will provide demo title, and I will write a paragraph over here. Anything you can. I'm writing randomly text, so you can write your own blog text. Randomly text written by Awake WordPress demo. From here you can select the text and you can give it as a bold effect, italic effect. You can provide the link of it. I will remove both. Now we'll go to more rich text controls, inline image, inline code, strike through effect, and you can change the color. Here you can see that align text left, text center, text right. Now we'll add image to our post. So we'll go to document and we'll add featured image from here. Set featured image. I've already uploaded two images, so I will select from this. I have selected this and set as a featured image. And now I will add the categories that we discussed. So we'll add new categories, that is new category for the post. So this post is for sports, and my parent category is my categories, and we'll add new category. Sports has been selected. One more category I would like to add is music, and parent category as my category, and add new category. And one more category I will add is news, and parent category as a my categories, and add new category. See, my post is on this particular post is for sports, so I will uncheck both of them, news and music. Now we'll publish our post from here. See, our post has been published. We'll go to view post. See, here you can see that it is showing. It's look messy as we have set the background image, so we'll first customize it. We'll remove the background image and we'll publish it again. Now we'll refresh over here. See, it's look perfect. Here our title by Awake, date, no comments, photo, and then our text and our categories. Now we'll see where our category has been shown. See, here our blog categories are sports. Others are not shown to us because we don't have any post in that category. So let's create it. We'll go to dashboard and we'll go to post and add new. Music post category. This post is for music, and we'll add category, that is music, and we'll add the featured image, and we'll set featured image, and we'll publish from here. See, our post has been published. We can see from here. See, a music category and music post category title by Awake, and this post is for music. From here we can go back to the demo title, that is our previous post which we have created of sports, and from here we can go to music post category. Let's check our category has been shown to us or not. Yes, music and sports both are been shown to us. We'll add one more post to our next category, that was, let's check. We'll go to dashboard and all post. See, from here we can see music post category and demo title. We will add a new post from here. Next category was news. So news post title, and this is a post for news category. Sorry for the spelling mistakes. Now we'll add the feature image to this. I will select this one and set the featured image, and I will click over here, that is this post belongs to news category, and I will publish it. See, it will show a message, our post has been published. See, news post title and news category by awake 8th October, music post category and demo title. See, here we can see that music, news and sports.